Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best whole house humidifiers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Levoit Humidifiers. Now that you are all caught up with the highest performing and premium whole house humidifiers in the market, let's talk about the affordable options that are suitable for common applications. Out of which, the offering from Levoit is pretty good for the price. Levoit Humidifier is one of the cheapest whole house humidifiers you will find in the market right now. By simply looking at the specifications, you can tell that it is made for basic applications, as it has 1.59 gallons capacity and a coverage area of 735 square feet. While it might not be suitable for large homes, it offers efficient supply of both hot and cool mist for small houses. If you believe in aromatherapy by essential oils, you will be glad to know that the Levoit Humidifier also works as a diffuser for essential oils. It comes with a dedicated aroma box when you can deposit the essential oil and experience a clean and fresh output. The output speed is limited to 500 milliliters every hour, which is not bad for a compact device. Even with the low capacity, it offers continuous discharge for up to 60 hours, which reduces the number of refills you will have to perform every week. You can also control the device from a dedicated remote control and set up a schedule running from the next 1 to 12 hours. Number 2. Our second best pick is Aircare H12600 Whole House Humidifier. Low-capacity air humidifiers are not very useful for industrial applications. Therefore, we are introducing a handful of brands like Aircare that offer great products for heavy-duty performance. The Aircare H12600 is a slightly higher budget choice compared to other picks in our list, as it is designed for commercial as well as large homes. It offers a coverage area of about 3,700 square feet, which is basically enough for most applications. Also, you will be getting an output of about 11.9 gallons every day, which is more than sufficient to maintain higher than 50% humidity. This unit works on evaporative technology so that the obtained results are completely natural and free from white dust. There is an exclusive comfort sensor installed in the Aircare H12600 that automatically detects the humidity levels in the room and makes necessary changes to the output automatically. If you are not satisfied with the care, you can also take matters into your own hands by manually changing the speed within 4 different options. Number 3. Our third best pick is Elechomes SH8830 Top Fill Humidifier. Elechomes is also a largely popular brand when it comes to home appliances. Its SH8830 Whole House Humidifier is quite popular amongst its users and received pretty good feedback. Just like our last choice, the Elechomes SH8830 also offers you dual support for cold as well as hot mist generation. Even though it is not practically a tower humidifier, it offers a top fill design which makes the refill process easier than ever. Once it is refilled completely, it can be used for about 72 hours at a time on the lowest cool mist mode. Talking about the operational modes, you get to choose from 6 different options on the Elechomes SH8830 for both output options. It makes the device fully compliant for a coverage area of about 861 square feet. If you select the quiet operation mode, the device will work at almost 20 dB noise level, which is perfectly suitable for nights. This is possible because of the silent design of the internal fan. The nozzle on the Elechomes SH8830 is a rotatable nozzle that covers a 360-degree area around the unit. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Aircare EA1407 Digital Whole House Humidifier. Aircare is bringing yet another beautiful whole house humidifier to our list. The following choice is similarly powerful as our previous pick and suitable for a versatile range of applications. The Aircare EA1407 is a console-style whole house humidifier that comes with the signature Aircare design and wooden finish. It is suitable for any common house as the supported coverage area for this piece is about 4,000 square feet. It also manages to maintain the desired humidity levels for you with the new and improved digital humidistat. There's also a digital display available on the top which offers information of the current scenario and selected settings. It is quite easy to operate as there are only 3 buttons present on the device that offer complete functionality. The capacity of the Aircare EA1407 ranges up to 44.8 gallons so that you can use it for a longer period of time without needing to refill it. Also, the device automatically powers down when the desired humidity level is achieved for even better efficiency. In case you are worried about the maintenance, don't be. There is also a separate indication for a refill when the tank is empty or about to be empty. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is AprilAire 700 Whole Home Humidifier. AprilAire is yet another brand that has a really great offering for commercial application. The following whole house humidifier from AprilAire offers one of the largest capacity and coverage areas. Coming to the premium choice for the best whole house humidifier, we have the AprilAire 700 Whole Home Humidifier. This is a very large size device as it offers a capacity of 18 gallons every day with a massive coverage area of about 4,200 square feet. There are built-in fans on the system that intakes air directly from the furnace for better efficiency. Instead of providing just a single sensor, AprilAire equipped the AprilAire 700 with dual sensor technology for both outdoor as well as indoor parameters. With such a high-tech device, you will definitely get continuous comfort in your home as well as the office 24/7. It generally keeps the humidity levels between 35 to 45%, which is ideal for comfort. But you can also personalize the settings based on your requirements. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.